Welcome to a new tutorial inside the Creo Parametric. In this smart tutorial, I will show you how to model this slotted nut inside the Creo Parametric. Now to model this nut inside the Creo Parametric, what I did nothing. Just first of all, I will tell you that I will provide a link in the description, and I will just show you how to model the hex nut. And after that, what I did nothing, just I created this pattern. See, so this is really very helpful tutorial for you. Let me go back and see the link of this hex nut. I will provide in the description. You can watch that. And after that, what I can do, I can just create slots. So I will select this face, make it normal, and I will extrude. Just come to center rectangle, draw a rectangle like this. I will say okay, and I will just reverse the direction. Here I will keep to all, remove material, and save. Press the middle mouse button to save. Okay. Pattern, I will select axis, and here keep the number of entity 3. Come to angle, keep at 360, and save. See, hide the axis. So this is how you can create a slotted nut inside the Creo Parametric. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.